Sequoia here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week, the question that came into me, I thought was really interesting. It was from a gentleman who is an employee, so I'm not going to mention names here. In his email that he sent me, he was asking me for help. He said he's been trying to get the owner of the company to purchase an ultrasonic unit, and he wanted to know how could I in some way help to get the message through to the owner that an ultrasonic machine was a really great item and very necessary to increase productivity when it comes to cleaning contents, especially fire affected contents. And he said that he had done a lot to talk with his owner, showed him videos, and yet he was still saying, hey, I don't see where spending, $15,000 to $20,000 on a piece of equipment is going to do anything for us. And so therefore, I'm not going to do that. Remember what I was very surprised when he said that he had showed videos and had shown, information about the ultrasonic machine and how it works, and that the owner still felt that it was not going to increase productivity. I don't understand how a restoration company that does content cleaning doesn't have or doesn't use an ultrasonic machine. It is absolutely one of the key pieces of equipment to increase your productivity and actually get your job done very well. And correctly. So what I'm concerned about is this. Maybe your owner doesn't understand exactly how ultrasonic works. Maybe if you could take him or her somewhere where there's a company that has one set up so they can see it in the process. The other thing is there's lots of videos on the internet, and I've got several on the YouTube channel where I show how we use an ultrasonic machine and process items. So I would definitely see if you could get your owner to be near a machine that's in use and being properly used to have an idea of the level of productivity. The other thing is oftentimes I get into restoration companies when I'm doing on-site training and they're actually using the ultrasonic machine incorrectly. And the biggest thing that I see is that they will be doing the work like scrubbing or moving the item in the ultrasonic machine instead of letting the machine do its work. So it's very important that your owner understands how that machine properly works. You put an item in it, it's dirty, comes back looking brand new. And that's without you doing anything other than a pre-soak, maybe sometimes a light, quick agitation. Then you put it in the machine, then you pull it out and do a rinse and go on from there with your process. So I would definitely show this video to your owner if you're watching this and let them know that I would be happy to have a conversation with them. If they'd like to reach out to me, you can give them my number, 509-684-0767. And I'd be happy to chat with them about the big, huge benefits that an ultrasonic machine will bring to your contents cleaning company. All right. Well, I hope that helped. Good luck with you in your quest to get an ultrasonic unit. And any of you out there that have other questions about ultrasonic cleaning, please don't hesitate. You know the drill. Shoot me an email, anissa@firehouseeducation.com, and I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.